In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Udemy gift code on desktop. Redeeming a gift code is quick, but a few details will make it seamless. Start by opening your preferred desktop web browser and going to the Udemy website. Make sure you're logged in to the exact account where you want the gift to be applied. This matters because once a gift code is redeemed, it's tied to that account and can't be moved. Next, head straight to Udemy's gift redemption page. You can do that by typing or pasting this link into your browser's address bar. http://udemy.com/gift-redeem. That page is designed specifically for gift codes, so you won't have to hunt through menus. When it loads, you should see a field where you can enter your code and proceed. Now, carefully enter the gift code exactly as it appears in your notification. Take your time here. Watch out for common slip-ups, like mistaking the number 0 for the letter O, or adding extra spaces before or after the code when pasting. If the code contains hyphens, include them as shown. Entering it precisely helps the system recognize it right away. When your code is in, click Unwrap your gift. After a moment, you should see a confirmation that the gift has been applied to your account. Depending on the type of gift, it may unlock a specific course or otherwise grant access so you can begin learning immediately. If you're taken to the course page, that's your signal that everything worked. A couple of quick pointers to keep things smooth. Double-check you're logged into the intended account before redeeming, since redemptions are usually one-time and not transferable. If you see an error, carefully re-enter the code and remove any extra spaces. Also note that some gift codes have expiration dates or may already have been used if someone tried them earlier. If you're thinking about picking up additional courses or gifting more to someone else, Udemy commonly runs major sales around New Year, payday or month-end periods, Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and general holiday sales. Those are great times to browse and save, especially if you're building a learning plan or stocking up gifts for later. And that's all there is to it. Log in on desktop, go to the gift redemption page, enter the code exactly as shown, and click Unwrap your gift. Enjoy your new course and have fun learning. If you found this helpful, keep this process handy for the next time you receive a gift code, and happy studying.